Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing Russell Wilson, quarterback for the Denver Broncos. Now it's kind of interesting to say as he was traded from the Seattle Seahawks to the Denver Broncos. Interesting note is that when Russell Wilson won the Super Bowl with the Seattle Seahawks, he actually beat the Denver Broncos. Russell Wilson was the third round pick to the Seattle Seahawks in 2012. And he actually played college football and baseball at North Carolina State before transferring to Wisconsin, where he did really well and got drafted. He actually played minor league baseball for a while as a second baseman, so baseball talent and football talent. He's got a good arm. So here we go. Find the middle of your paper, find the middle of the paper, and we're going to draw the face on the upper middle section. So here we go. I got my black marker, pointy tip, and we're gonna go down kind of this curve. So we got this rounded chin, kind of chubbier cheeks, and we're gonna do two ears, bump out for the head, bump out for the head, and then the hair comes out. Now it kind of just makes some bumps and some curls and goes down. I'm going to do the hairline. There we go. Alright, let's draw some eyes. We do circles. Kind of oval circles, it looks like. So we do our players, our drawings in a fun cartoon style. So Russell Wilson, we did some round eyes here. Let's do a kind of a wider, broad nose. Here we go. See what I did there? I went down and did this loop, not loop, but kind of a U shape, and then another nostril, and we will do down, up, kind of give him a smile. And we'll come through here in a minute and do, we'll draw the, actually, let's do it right now. I'm gonna get my brown, my light brown. Russell Wilson kind of has these sleepy eyes a little bit, so we're going to draw this mid line right here through the eye. Color that in brown, light brown. Then we're going to get our black marker again, the pointy tip, and we're going to do a half circle. Half circle. We're going to leave that white, okay? We're going to do a circle over here, a little circle, and we're going to leave that white. Those are highlights. And we're going to do this half, we're going to leave this area open. We're going to probably color it a blue. We like to add a little bit of color to our eyes just to show some life, maybe some reflection from the lights of the stadium or something. So I'm going to get a light blue, fin tip, and just color this area blue. It's not saying that Russell Wilson has blue eyes or anything. It's just showing maybe some interest, adding some life to Russell Wilson's eyes there. I'm going to get a darker brown and do this under lip and an upper lip I should say. The upper lip usually stays a little darker, a little shadowed than the bottom lip. Okay, so that kind of shows we've blocked in the face. Let's do the rest of the body right now. So we're gonna start on the chin, come down to the middle point, and up, and shoulder pads, down, down. Now we're going to come down to the waist area and up to the shoulder pad. Okay. We're going to draw this blue. All right, so as a quarterback, Russell Wilson likes to wear these hand warmers sometimes on a cold game. That's where you put your hands when you need to keep them dry. You stick them in the hand warmer, keep them dry, keep them warm, because you got to hold on to that football to throw it good. All right, so let's draw some legs. Once again, we're drawing a cartoon version of Russell Wilson. So we have little legs, little ankles, down, down, connect, and big shoes. We like to draw big shoes. So there's the tongue of the shoe, tongue, 1, 2, 3 shoelaces, 1, 2, 3 shoelaces. Round down and come straight across. Stop under that ankle area. Connect up to that ankle. Bring that down in a curve. Straight across. Into the shoelace. Let's draw some cleats. Quarterbacks need their cleats to grip into the turf or the grass so they can stop and make that good throw to the receivers. Now Russell Wilson is going to be playing for the Denver Broncos at Mile High Stadium, which is way high in altitude. So he's going to be experiencing something different than Seattle. Let's do a football over here. Big football shape, curve up to connect it. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles for the fingers. And here's his thumb. So he's holding on to that football. We're going to draw Russell Wilson with some muscles. So we're going to do a curve, and start at the football, curve in. Since he's a baseball player and a football player with strong muscles, he can throw the ball, so he needs those arm muscles, right? So here's a curve, big curve. And his arm goes down, draw his hand, thumb, finger, 2, 3, 4, up, and curve in. All right, and Russell Wilson wears these wristbands. Color that black wristband in. All right, so we got the outline of Russell Wilson, one of the great quarterbacks in the NFL today. We are going to color this drawing for you all. And we're going to do an orange Broncos uniform, the number 3. Some blue stripes, brown football, flesh color, black hair, white pants, white cleats, flesh color arm, and we should be good to go. Thanks for drawing with us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Russell Wilson of the Denver Broncos. Fast forward.